Want this unique text effect? Well, here is how to make it. First, create your desired text, center it, and then scale it up if you want. Next, search CC Cylinder in the Effects and Presets tab. Apply it to your text. Now copy my settings. Now add Sapphire Texture Flux. This effect will make the text look how it did in the example. This effect makes the text look even more dynamic. Copy my settings. Now go back to the Effects and Presets panel and add the Sapphire Erase effect. Copy my settings again. Okay, now that we have added the base effects, we also want to achieve the effect seen in the example where the text expands. To do this, click the Add button on the text, and choose the tracking option. We will now keyframe this from 0 to 6. If this doesn't work properly for you, make sure your text's anchor point is centered. Double-click the Anchor Point tool while having your text selected to center the anchor point. Now I'm changing the position value to make the expansion look better. After that, let's add slow fade in and keyframe it. Now to fade it out, add the fade out slow effect and keyframe that too. Finally, let's add 2 more effects, with the first one being Deep Glow. Copy my settings if you'd like, and remember to enable the Required for Text checkbox. Now that we've added Deep Glow, let's add Drop Shadow. Okay, thank you for watching. This is the final result.